Hi everyone. So today we'll be making beetroot hummus. This is a quick recipe you can enjoy with crackers, pita bread, or just use it as a sauce in your different sandwiches. Very high on protein. For the ingredients, you need boiled chickpeas. I have about 300 grams of chickpeas here. 1 tablespoon of tahini sauce, which is actually a paste of sesame. Salt to taste. Little bit of paprika or chili powder. I have cumin powder, about 1 teaspoon, some pine nuts for garnishing, some extra virgin olive oil, fresh lemon juice, this is juice of 1 lemon, and I have about 1 beetroot which is cut and boiled, and this is to add the color. Take a strong blender and one by one we'll put all the ingredients into this blender. Start by putting chickpea. About 3 teaspoons of lemon juice, next add salt to taste, and then about half a teaspoon of cumin powder. That's all, and we will now try to churn it in the mixer. You can add a little bit of water if you feel the paste is too thick and you don't want too much oil, but very little, right? And then keep mixing it. That's how your hummus will look once it is all done. Time to garnish with a quick drizzle of olive oil, some pine nuts, cumin powder, some paprika if you like it spicy, and you're done.